Sunglasses. This one's working. Cool.
The Kings River is one of the most beautiful rivers I've ever been on. It is roughly 90 miles long and flows north. Now the Buffalo River, it does compare. It doesn't have quite the high cliffs, such as the 200 plus feet high, but it does have cliff faces. However, in this video, I didn't quite get the ability to film it because we were about halfway done the trip before I truly realized that my GoPro was not filming. However, that being said, the Kings River has springs around every curve, which is something you're not going to see on the Buffalo. I'm talking, you might see for 100 feet straight nothing but wet limestone cliff faces with seeping out, and around the next corner you might see a small waterfall. We did 16 miles on this trip in 6 hours. The plan originally was to do something more like 16 miles in an all-day trip. However, we found out that the CFS rate, which is 2,000, was more than enough to keep us going. We were actually able to finish before daylight actually disappeared. So at the end of this video, you'll see us come up to the camp spot, and that camp spot will cut out just before then because the GoPro dies. But that is where we ended. 16 miles, 6 hours. One of the most beautiful places I've ever been.
Did you miss the waterfall?
Oh, I just wanna feel free, and I just wanna be me. Yeah, I just wanna go so crazy. I just wanna be a freak. Yeah, I just wanna rise to the top. Yeah, I just wanna go reach the peak. So I've been really well focused on success. Hey, y'all will see. Yeah, you won't see that I will get it. Cause I'm really focused, man. I make it with the rap and I just follow my path. I just follow my passion. To me, this is what's precious. Yeah, in my soul, man, I can feel it. So every single verse, man, I just gotta go and kill it, man. I gotta be the kid. I could be the guy taking you wild. I could be the villain. My good as a kid. Lately, I'm painting my path on my way. Yeah, I got no time that I can waste. So I've been sitting in the space. Yeah, making runs every day, man. You know that I go insane. Yeah, I hit you with a bullet to the brain. Let us stop first, cause we going insane. Truly it's making me blessed, cause I work on my team, no snakes in the grass, and we
do a jump for the video.
Because of the work that we did in the past, when we went to hours, you barely got rest. So I get the realm and we didn't finesse. So I got the feelings that we might be next. Cause when we go in, we win in the match. Sure. When we go in, we win in the match. So that's how we do, cause we be the best. We be the best, best. Yeah, we be the best. Whoa. Yeah, we be the best, best, we be the best, hey. Yeah, we be the best, best, hey. We be the best, yo. You wanna come and test? Whoa, you want to see we the best, hey. You don't see that with the best kid, so I suggest you never really
Smile for the block.
otherwise I will smack your face like Michael Jordan does with a ball on the basket. Oh damn kid, but you didn't expect it. You never really thought that this was just happening. But now I'm really coming on and calling with action. Cause people defeat, just they don't get it like.
Woohoo! You hit one, I heard.
I almost slid.
I didn't see it, but I sure heard it.
Oh, really? Okay, well, I thought it was a river otter. It was just a groundhog.
Oh, that's funny. You're the one that ran into me. Let go, let go. I gotta get over here to the left. I'm too far ahead to hear you. It's way too late to do 16 all day. They're definitely camping somewhere. Should have went over there to that one. Was it a rock? Let's hit them rocks. Heck yeah. Good thing to see that. Oh, I'm gonna hit it too. Oh, I fucking battle with dirt. I seen it and the current still sucked me over. There's that current, dude. I seen it and I was trying to avoid it. Yeah. Quick, right here. Ooh, I gotta get out.
One of these days, we just need to take a leisure float. Because you know how we kayak?
That's right, you
kayak a
right
little.
off and left me.
We kayak a little fast. We need this. One of these days, we just need to slow down.
I just want you to know we will have done 16 miles in 6.5 hours.
We could do much better.
Yeah.